Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to enable notifications in the Civitatis application, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the person button at the bottom of the page on the right. And then scroll down and look for the notifications button and click on the white circle next to it. And as you can see, the application will direct you to your phone's settings. So in order to turn notifications on, just click on the notifications button. And then click on the white circle next to the allow notifications button. And as you can see, there are some more settings that you can do within the notifications. But if that's it, then just go back to the application, and as you can see, the button turned pink, so it means that the notifications are on. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.